Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the image and immediately checking the Layers panel so you know if the text is editable. If a type layer exists, select the Type tool and click the text to edit it. This preserves quality and spacing. Once done, look at the Character panel to match font, size, weight, and color so new text blends. If the text is rasterized, don't panic. You'll remove it next and recreate a clean area before adding new text. If the text is editable, make your changes, then refine spacing and alignment. Use Free Transform to position precisely. If the text is rasterized, select around it with the Lasso tool and use Content-Aware Fill or the Clone stamp to reconstruct the background so the area looks natural. Once the area is clean, add a new type layer and type your replacement text. Make sure to apply layer styles and subtle warps to match perspective and lighting, so the new text reads like it belongs. Finish by aligning and fine-tuning the text with guides and smart objects so it scales cleanly. Once satisfied, save a layered PSD for future edits, then export a flattened PNG or JPEG at the correct resolution. Make sure to inspect edges and color match at 100%. If seams or halos appear, use the healing brush or sample nearby pixels with Clone stamp to blend. If the original text won't select, confirm it isn't locked or merged, and repeat the removal cleanup ad cycle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.